We've been having Ali and Kermit out today, and it's so adorable. I don't know whether she's trying to create some new eggs or not, because he has been so attentive to her, and he won't even leave the cage if she stays in the cage. It's been really adorable, actually. It's been all day. And he'll follow her everywhere she goes, as if he's looking out for her. And the cage has been open for ages, but he just won't spend his time out. He'd rather spend it inside, keeping an eye on her and making sure she's okay.